up? Welcome back to my channel. It is too early in the morning right now, but I got to go somewhere. I got some free time, so I'm so excited. I gotta go and get my nails done right now. Rush and go do that. If you're new to my channel, go on ahead and hit those notifications and subscribe. If you already subscribed, hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to the KOKO family. But yes, I have a nail appointment, and I also have to continue packing my bag because I'm about to have a little mommy day to myself and, you know, enjoy myself, treat myself, and all of that other stuff. But I gotta go right now. I'm gonna take y'all with me. It's just so much I have to do before I leave. Like, I was so late. Like, when you have a kid, and, you know, I can't even blame it on my son. Let me not even blame it on my son right now. But I kinda slacked off, and I was doing some extra other stuff. And I ain't gonna lie, your girl has been working hard. Thanks, you know, to me reorganizing a lot. But yeah, I'm about to get ready right now and head out, and I'm gonna take y'all with me to get my nails done. It's nails day.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on conduct, on my mama, made a promise,
So y'all, this is what I'm wearing. I'm about to go to the pool right now. Yes, I'm so excited that I'm here because I haven't been here in so long. And hold on, let me fix this. Yeah, I fixed it. But yeah, I haven't been here in so long. This is a little mommy in the way, okay? But yeah, I'm in the bathroom right now. Looking cute, looking fabulous. I would show you my bathroom, but I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then I'm gonna show y'all my bathroom. This is my bathroom, my shower right here, and I have all my makeup stuff right there. I gotta turn my flat ironer off, and I have to clean a little bit. But I am about to start enjoying my time here. So if you're interested in anything that I have on, this swim cover rug is from Shein, I believe. Yeah, it is from Shein. This metallic purple two-piece is from Icon Swim. So if you're interested, definitely go and check and see if they still have it, because I believe I bought this maybe last year, but I believe I bought this last year, but they did still have different colors up there. I definitely gained a little weight. I don't care though, because it's gonna go away, but definitely looking cute. It is a thong. Sorry if you see my little boom boom, but not little big. But I'm about to go right now and get me some food, grub a little bit, and then enjoy the day, okay?
Oh, I'ma do better, treat you much better, talk to you better. You can get whatever, whatever, whatever. I ain't gon' let up, I'm finna step up. I'ma love on you better, give you whatever. Don't let me down, don't let me, don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go, no. Don't let me, don't let me.
I love these pillows. These pillows are so freaking cute. Like, I need some throw pillows like this for my bed. And that lamp over there, I am plotting on it. So I'm already Googling because I want that lamp in my room now. Like, right now. But yes, this is my bed. My bed. I got a couple of stuff on my bed, but you know, I'm gonna clean it up right now. And then I got a little like living room set over there. So freaking cute. So I am back in the room. Y'all, let me show y'all these eyelashes. First of all, these eyelashes is called Barbly. I don't know. Some girl is here. She bumped into me and she gave me these eyelashes. But they are cute, but I don't wear eyelashes this long. Look how long these are. Like, they cute though. Don't get me wrong, they cute. But I don't know, I might play around with it and do something. Who knows? But she was really, really nice and sweet. I came back to the room to freshen up my makeup. And I'm gonna go and have some dinner now. This is what I'm going to wear. You've probably seen this in my video already, but this is what I'm going to wear. So I'm gonna go out right now and have some food. They got a couple of restaurants in here, so I'm gonna see what I really want. I honestly want to go to Sugar Factory. They have this fried chicken. The fried chicken tastes so good. The fried chicken and waffles, I am fiending for that right now. But we gonna see what they got in there, and then I'm gonna play a little bit. And I'm just so upset because of why my toenails messed up. Yes, my toenails messed up, and I can't even wear what I really want to wear. I was trying to take pictures. I was trying to do a lot, but once 2 of my nail polishes, which I'm going back to the lady that did my nails because I don't know what she did, but I'm not feeling it now. So that's what I'm gonna do when I go back home, so she can fix my toes, or I'm gonna get somebody else. I'm gonna show the owner, and then I'm gonna get it done over. But otherwise than that, I'm having a great time. Ladies, mothers, if you have kids, you need a break. I know everybody's support system is different, but any type of break you could get, take it. Don't keep piling work up on yourself. Go take a break, okay? But yeah, that's what I'm about to go do right now. We need a break. We need to reset our brain, reset the things and the goals that we want to do. So keep that in mind. Don't overwork and do a lot to the point that where you get stressed out, because that happened to me a couple of times. And as a mom, you want to complete things. You know, sometimes you put in your head you're a failure. I don't know about everybody else, but for me, it's like if I don't get it done, I feel like, what are you doing, girl? Okay, so anyway, yeah, but that's the tip I'm gonna give y'all for today. I'm using my Fenty Beauty. What is this? Penny for You Thoughts. Oh shoot, I didn't even notice that in the back. I know that now, Rihanna. Okay, only on Sundays. But yeah, so I just came back to freshen my makeup up, and then I'm gonna go downstairs. The pool scenery was beautiful. I actually went somewhere else, but my phone was dying, so I couldn't really like vlog. But yeah, I'm about to get out right now because I don't want to put too much makeup on no more. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now, and I'm gonna take y'all with me so we could go eat and grub and eat. The Christmas tree. It's really, really nice in here. It's super duper crowded on it's definitely crowded in here. Like, I thought it was gonna be nobody in here, but it's definitely crowded in here to be a weekday. I guess people don't want to work, but yeah. I'm going up the escalator because I'm gonna go and get some food now. I hope it's not a long wait because I'm starving. I want some chicken and waffles, okay? Right now. Like right now. And it looks like it's a long way.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm the next day.
I didn't even record. So y'all, I'm home. I didn't even record myself coming back home because I wanted to just hurry up and leave. Like, I'm super duper tired still. But I'm about to get up. Today is another day, and we're gonna do some family activities today, so that's what I'm gonna be looking forward to. And I think we're supposed to be going to see a Christmas tree lighting, I don't know, but yes, I definitely have fun. That wasn't enough time for me, so I'm planning on going back or finding another location to go to and just chill. First, I'm gonna go get this toe done because that is a need and that is a must. So that's what we're gonna do first. So let me get up. I'm gonna cook some breakfast and then I'm gonna leave. Okay, if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let's go.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Yeah, the more I have people come in and play, the more likely Nintendo's going to come back every.
until